Alright you guys, it's your girl Nisha B, and I just got done picking my fall veggies. 5 months pregnant. Almost 6. And yeah, this is what we got so far. We got a nice little bit of kale, and we got like 3 good sized radishes. But yeah, I'm more excited about the amount of kale I got. I'll probably pick a couple of more before I go in. We're gonna let the rest of them get big because I do like my kale leaves kind of big, but I do not want them to go bad though, because some of them, like that yellow one over there, is starting to wither. But all in all, they did great this winter, especially with all the frost we had.